There's how it works. Water from a river or a reservoir flows through turbines, which spins and drives generators and produces electricity. It's a renewable energy source. One intriguing aspect is microhydroelectric systems. These are small-scale installations, often used in rural areas or remote areas. Often used in rural areas or remote areas. And it's very cool to say that there are some cool things about this. Some are designed in a special way, like this can control flood, then irrigation, etc. Now, let me tell you how it was invented. The concept of using water to generate power came more than thousands of years ago when the ancient Greeks and Egyptians used the water wheels for grinding wheat and irrigation in many different ways. However, the modern hydroelectric power plant has a more recent history. In the mid-70s, a French engineer named Bernard Forest de Veridor wrote Architecture Hydraulics, which led the first invention of hydroelectric power plant. It was built in 1880. It was made in Michigan. It was driven by a dynamo which provided an arc lighting for a theater in Michigan. And finally, in 1883, there was a hydroelectric power plant built in Redlands Power Plant in California.
Let me tell you how the model was built. This model is built of mainly two different parts, the base part and the electric part. The base part is built up of boards, cardboard, plastic, and etc. And the electric parts are made up of the motor and lights and a set of wire. And it is also built by mainly four parts. The four parts are the bottom part, which is the tray, which helps to prevent the water to speed away. The second one is the wheel, which spins to produce electricity. The third one is the stored energy box, which stores energy for like a long time to keep the energy to be usable later. And the last part is the electric module, which is inside the box and which consists also of the motor, lights and wires. And that's how it works.
So what's the importance of hydroelectric power plants? Basically, hydroelectric power plants are incredibly important for several reasons because it is a renewable resource. There are some advantages of hydroelectric power plants like flexibility, reliability, then it's a renewable energy source. And also not only advantages, also there are some disadvantages like high initial costs, then some may cause flooding.
Madam has a little bit hurry to go. Okay? Thank you. I will hear you listen again. Okay? I will come. Motor function.
Assalamualaikum and very our project is about where is Master Door is what the in it was the capital of